Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed and come across an ad for OnPay, promising quick and easy ways to make money online. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Is OnPay a legit company, or is it just another scam? Let's dive into the world of OnPay and find out if it's a real opportunity or a potential money pit. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what OnPay is all about. It's essentially a platform that claims to connect you with various online tasks and opportunities. From taking surveys to completing small jobs, OnPay promises a wide range of ways to earn extra cash. But is the reality as rosy as it seems? The legitimacy question. Now, the million-dollar question. Is OnPay a legit company? Well, the short answer is it's complicated. While there are many people who have successfully earned money through OnPay, there are also those who have had negative experiences. User reviews and testimonials. Let's take a look at what real users have to say about OnPay. We've scoured the internet for reviews and testimonials to get a better understanding of the platform. While there are plenty of positive reviews praising the ease of use and the potential to earn money, there are also some negative reviews highlighting issues with payment delays and unclear terms and conditions. Red flags to watch out for. As with any online opportunity, it's important to be cautious and aware of potential red flags. Here are some things to watch out for when considering OnPay. Unrealistic earnings claims. If OnPay is promising ridiculously high earnings with minimal effort, it's likely a scam. Hidden fees. Be on the lookout for hidden fees or subscription charges that can eat into your earnings. Lack of transparency. If the company's terms and conditions are unclear or difficult to understand, it's a red flag. Negative reviews. Pay attention to negative reviews, especially if they mention similar issues. Tips for using OnPay safely. If you decide to give OnPay a try, here are some tips to help you stay safe. Start small. Begin with a small number of tasks to get a feel for the platform. Read the fine print. Carefully read all terms and conditions before accepting any tasks. Be wary of scammers. Be cautious of anyone who promises guaranteed earnings or requires upfront payments. Monitor your earnings. Keep track of your earnings and payments to ensure everything is in order. So, is OnPay a legit company? The answer is it can be, but it's important to approach it with caution. While there are opportunities to earn money on the platform, there are also risks involved. Do your research, read reviews, and be aware of potential scams. If you decide to give OnPay a try, start small and monitor your progress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.